Today, I have, as you guys can guess by the title, my first Pop in a Box subscription box unboxing. Yes, that was a mouthful. I have finally hit rock bottom and I just signed up for a Funko Pop subscription box because what the heck, why not? Let's just feed into my addiction, my hoarding problem. I mean, who cares, right? And I am wearing my Lizzie McGuire ears. Don't judge me, leave me, let me be, because I mean, they're so cute, they make me happy and they match my outfit, so we're just going to go with it, okay? So, what happened was I went on Pop in a Box and then I found some videos on YouTube and I was like, I want to sign up for this as well because I love Funko Pops, as you guys can tell. I keep looking at them, they're right here. So you go to the site. I do have a code. This is not sponsored. You guys can sign up or you guys can also save with any purchases that you guys make on that website. So my code will be listed down below. I will also put it somewhere here on the screen. And guys, when you sign up, you could thumbs up the pops that you want and thumbs down the ones you don't want. Or you could just go to the website and thumbs down the categories that you guys are not interested in. So what happens is they will look at that and they will send you pops based on what you thumbs up. So that's what I did. So it took me a while to go on that website because I have a lot of Funko Pops. So I had a majority of them and then a majority of them I just did not care about. So that's what I did. And then I think you can choose up to, don't quote me on this, like 20 pops a month, but I went with the 3 pops a month just to start out, and that is $29.99 per month. So you get 3 Funko Pops per month, like I said, so it's a billing cycle, and I just want to try it out. And I have to say, the first box blew me away. So what happened was, it's a funny story. A box came from Kentucky, and it was not a branded box, and it just, I don't even know, like some Farms box or something like that. Like it says something Farms on it. And my mom and my sister goes, did you order anything from Kentucky? And I'm like, I do have a lot of things coming in the mail, but I don't know what this is. Like it was a strange box, but it was really big. And I'm like, I don't know. And you guys know the tracking doesn't work anymore. You guys know how that operates. So I never even got a notification that anything was out for delivery. And I kept trying to track this order, but it wouldn't even show up. It said that they have no tracking available. So I never knew when it was going to come. So I'm slowly opening this box and I'm like, what's inside? And then I see this big Funko Pop and 2 other ones. And then I finally clicked and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's my subscription box from Pop in a Box. Because I was like, did someone like send this to my house or something? Because no one has my address, so that scared me. But yeah, just to clear that up, so I want to show you guys this first. I wanted the one with Walt Disney, but that's out of stock and the flippers prices are ridiculous. So look what I ended up getting in my first box. Are you kidding me right now? Like, seriously? Mickey with the castle. Like, dreams do come true, guys. Oh my gosh. Of course, like I said, I would have loved Walt because he's the man behind all of this. But I mean, Mickey is amazing. I love Mickey. And then the castle. So, I mean, this sounds weird, but if someone sells Walt alone online, like one of the flippers or something, and he's a decent price, I might just end up buying him like that because I just want him to go with my collection. But look at this. This is stunning. Follow my Funko Pop page, The Finest R26, if you guys want to see photos of these pops because they will definitely be posted. And then look at this Donald. Oh my gosh, he is too cute. Super cute. I think that so far, this subscription box is worth it. I've watched unboxings and stuff. So hopefully box number 2 next month will be worth it as well. I hope that I don't get any doubles. They claim that they will not send doubles because they will look at your order history and see what you've ordered in the past, so they won't send you doubles. And they will also go off of what you thumbs up. So I thumbs down a lot of categories because I don't care about a lot of those pops. I care about Harry Potter, but I own every single Harry Potter pop, so I didn't care about that. Disney, there's a lot of Funko Pops, so I just, you know, went ham and thumbs up a lot of them that I didn't have already. And my memory sometimes, I mean, it's good, but like, I have so many Funkos and they're all stacked in my corner over there, which you guys have seen in other videos. So it's like, sometimes you forget what you have. So I had to like go back and look at my collection, and I was like, okay, I already own these, so I had to thumbs them down. So that's how that worked. And look at this. This is a very Nico exclusive. So, I mean, when you sign up, they also say that you guys can get like other exclusives and movie moments and stuff like that. So, it's not just your standard pop. Like, you guys can get other pops too, as you guys can see. Like, proof, I'm not lying, and people's reviews weren't lying either. Like, the reviews were pretty good for this box. And, I mean, I did a lot of research before I decided to, you know, purchase my first box, but I'm pretty darn excited. I cannot wait to see what box number 2 has, because this one exceeded my expectations. Like, I didn't know what I was going to get, and when I saw the castle, I was like, did you guys just know? Did you know I was in search of this castle? Did you know I needed this in my life? I mean, they obviously did. So, like I said, I will have my code on the screen here somewhere and down below in the description box. If you guys sign up, you will get a discount. So, let me know if you guys are going to dive in and decide to try this new adventure with me. Let me know down below. What was your favorite pop? It was only 3, but what was your favorite pop in this unboxing? I threw the box away. But yeah, I mean, okay, honestly, I usually can't pick a favorite, but I'm gonna have to go with the castle. It's so beautiful and stunning. So let me know down below what your favorite thing was. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notifications bell. That way you guys will not miss any uploads of mine. And without further ado, until next time, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Mwah!
Why are you standing right here? All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight.